so many shots.
And from Toga, negative. We were, it's kind of unclear, but I'm pretty sure we're complete.
Awesome, I don't think I've ever seen this before.
Explore how the arrival of F-22 Raptors to Muñiz ANGB demonstrates U.S. commitment to securing airspace in the Caribbean region. Include interviews with pilots and commanders about the significance of training in this strategic location. Focus on the maintenance crews, logistics specialists, and operations planners who ensure the F-22s remain mission-ready. Highlight how they coordinate with KC-135 Stratotankers for aerial refueling and long-duration missions. Give readers an inside look at the command and control operations that manage F-22 and KC-135 missions. Explain how radar operators, air battle managers, and communications teams synchronize air dominance efforts. Cover the crucial role of aerial refueling in extending the reach of the F-22 Raptors, detailing how KC-135 crews plan and execute refueling missions over the Caribbean Sea. Analyze the collaboration between the 156th Wing, 192nd Wing, and 141st Air Control Squadron. Show how multi-unit exercises enhance interoperability and ensure a rapid response capability for both peacetime and crisis scenarios. Discuss the broader message this deployment sends to allies and potential adversaries, including deterrence effects and readiness to project power across the Americas. Capture personal stories from pilots, maintainers, and support staff who work long hours to sustain F-22 and KC-135 operations. Include photos and quotes for a human interest angle. Explore how weather patterns, heat, and humidity affect F-22 maintenance and sortie generation rates, and the innovative ways crews adapt to keep operations smooth.